Hi all, welcome to GoLogica. Today we are going to discuss on popular generative AI tools that you must know. Generative AI has revolutionized industries. This supports users in creating content, generating images, and replicating human-like conversions. Generative AI tools has become a necessity across several domains such as marketing, art, coding, and writing due to the usage of advanced machine learning models. Now, what is generative AI? It is a subset of artificial intelligence. It uses machine learning models to create new content such as audio, video, text, and images. Generative AI can deliver real outputs by understanding patterns in large datasets. Generative AI tools. Generative AI tools are advanced technologies. They are powered by machine learning models. These tools are transforming the approach of business and individuals in innovation and problem solving. They are used in several industries such as education, software development, marketing, and design. First tool is ChatGPT by OpenAI. It is a conversational AI model. This tool is designed to replicate human like discussions. Moreover, it is mainly used for content creation, brainstorming, and customer support. Key features: multi turn conversations, generating human like text, translation and summarization of language, integration with apps using APIs. Advantages: automate repetitive tasks, easy integration and usage, produces context aware and clear text. Cons: limited contextual memory, might generate inaccurate responses. Pricing: its basic model is accessible for free. Its Pro plan starts at $20 per month, with which you will get access to GPT-4 features. Second is Jasper AI. It is a popular AI writing assistant with which you can create blog post, marketing copy, and social media content. Key features: ads, blogs, and email templates, SEO optimization tools, style and tone adjustment, detects plagiarism. Customized to marketing and branding needs, user friendly interface, time saving templates. Cons: expensive for small businesses, minimal creativity for unique content. Pricing: its pricing plan begins at $39 per month, scaling with features and word limits. Runway ML, an AI powered tool for creating content and video editing. With this, you can do several tasks. It includes object removal, motion tracking, and video generation. Key features: AI video generation, text based video editing, background removal, real time collaboration. Advantages: make difficult video editing tasks easy, better for storytelling and marketing. Cons: a steep learning curve is needed for advanced features. Intricate edits might be challenging. Pricing: it has a free plan which has limited features. It has paid plans which begin at $12 per month. Depart.io. It converts photos into artwork. The artworks will be the one which is inspired by popular painting styles with the help of neural networks. Key features include several artistic styles. Outputs will be of high resolution, style transfer for images, unique style options, intuitive interface for fast editing. Cons: limited customization of outputs. For high resolution images, you need to subscribe to the premium plan. Pricing: a free plan is available with basic features. Premium plans begins at $10 per image. Dal E3. This is also a product of OpenAI. It generates premium quality images from text prompts. This tool is used by designers, artists, and marketers for creating visual content. Key features: outputs are customized, text to image generation, integration with tools such as ChatGPT, improved realism and detail in generated images. Pros: lessens the need for advanced graphic design skills, generates visually appealing and high quality images. Cons: restricted access to free plans, limited ability to understand abstract prompts. Pricing: it is integrated within ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. Canva Magic Write. Magic Write is the generative AI feature of Canva. It is used for creating text. This tool is ideal for creating scripts, captions, and presentations. Key features: generates content within the design interface of Canva, provides suggestions for brand specific tone, real time fine tuning of text. It integrates with Canva design seamlessly. It is accessible for non writers. Cons: it is limited to creating text within Canva. It might lack depth for long form contents. Pricing: its subscription is included in Canva Pro. The plan is available at $12.99 per month. Stable Diffusion. It is an open source AI tool. This tool generates premium quality videos and images from prompts. Key features: it allows refined models, It can generate animations and videos, open source customization. Advantages: flexible and community driven. No subscription is required for basic usage. Midjourney. This AI tool is specialized in AI generated art. It focuses on developing surreal and stylized visuals based on text inputs. Key features: unique artistic styles, advanced personalization arts, community driven platform for inspiration and feedback. Advantages: generate premium quality and artistic image, ideal for project creation. Cons: a Discord account is required for using this tool. Certain limitations over fine details. Pricing: its subscription plan begins at $10 per month. Adobe Firefly. It is a generative AI tool by Adobe, which is integrated into its Creative Cloud suite for improving design workflows. Key features: generating context aware content, real time collaboration, AI enabled text to image generation. Advantages: customized for professional designers, better integration with Adobe Suite. Cons: Adobe subscription is needed to use this tool. Learning curve for new users. Pricing: the subscription plan for this tool is included with the Adobe Creative Cloud plans. The plan starts at $12.99 per month. Lumenify. It converts text content into imaging or engaging videos, thus making it a preferred option for content marketers. Key features: brand specific templates, generates video from text, stock footage and image library. Pros: creates video quickly, interface is user friendly. Cons: ideal for short videos, customization options are limited. Pricing: free plan is there, but the videos will be watermarked. Its premium plan starts at $12.29 per month. Synthesia. This AI tool focuses mainly on developing AI generated videos with avatars. The video is for training, marketing, and communication purposes. Key features: it supports multilingual, creates video based on a template, personalized AI avatars. Advantages: seamless production of videos, lessens the need for on camera talent. Cons: avatars can appear overly synthetic, limited flexibility in creativity. Pricing: the subscription plan begins at $30 per month per user. Copy.ai. It is a writing assistant which is used by designers for users to create social media posts, marketing content, and email campaigns. Key features: it supports adjusting tones for diverse audiences, suggestions for content optimization, AI powered templates for copywriting. Advantages: even non writers can use this tool easily. Creation of marketing content can be done quickly. Cons: it might deliver generic results. Limitation for long form content. Pricing: free plans are available for this tool. Its premium plan begins at $49 per month. Write Sonic. It is an AI writing tool. The tools are designed for SEO optimized ads, product descriptions, and blogs. Key features: compatible with diverse languages, integrates SEO keyword, templates for several writing tasks. Pros: generate content quickly, ideal for digital and e commerce marketing. Cons: it might deliver repetitive results in some cases, limited to short form content. Pricing: free tail available, and its premium plan starts at $19 per month. Notion AI. It improves productivity by generating text for certain things. This includes notes, tasks, and documents within the Notion workspace. Key features: task summaries are automated, suggestions on content for documentation, easy integration with Notion. Advantages: enhances team productivity, streamlines note taking and documentation. Cons: limited outside the ecosystem of Notion, can produce generic content. Pricing: it is included in Notion plans which starts at $10 per month per user. Codex: it is an AI tool designed mainly for developers to generate code snippets, debug, and learn programming languages. Key features: code debugging and completion, integrating API for development tools, supports multi language coding support. Pros or advantages: it reduces errors in coding, it speeds up the development time. Cons: it can generate inaccurate code, limited to specific supported programming languages. Pricing: it is accessible via the API subscription of OpenAI. Now, are you excited to learn artificial intelligence and data science? Why wait? Join us. GoLogica helps you learn GenAI in detail. We have a pool of expert trainers with years of experience in guiding people on generative and how to leverage them. We also offer certification training in GenAI led by expert trainers to develop your skills and this full. Moreover, We offer study material to all our students. You can call our experts on the given number or visit GoLogica.com. Thank you.